was basically held for streamlining the no parking areas in Ponda town. Ponda Municipal Council has gone along with all the committee members of various groups have gone on the notification of 21/8/2007. There was a government notification, district magistrate order in 2007. We are only going as per that notification. Now in this notification, the areas for two-wheeler parking, four-wheeler parking is all identified. However, some of the people have made their own rules and some of the people have made their own new stops and stands, for which we are trying to implement with the help of the traffic police. Now there are very specifically, we would like to bring to your notice that there are two or three such points which make it very difficult for Ponda's traffic movements. Number one is an illegal bus stop at this near Sainath Hotel, which is not notified stop, which we are going to do away with. The message is loud and clear that it is going to be done away with. There is also another illegal bus stop at PWD building near police quarters. Again, it is a source of traffic congestion and traffic block. We are going to do away with this also. And the third important thing is an illegal bus stop at Mungi Traders, just opposite near Dadavai Chowk, before the post office. Now, these three bus stops are actually very strong causes of traffic congestion. If these three bus stops are instantly and immediately taken care of by the traffic police, I think the movement of the vehicles will be safe now. This is number one. Number two, there are a couple of illegal parking slots which are notified by themselves by certain vehicle owners, and they come and park the vehicles there, which are not as per this notification, are not any rickshaw stands or tempo stands or motorcycle stands or whatever. So, however, anyone doing business in Ponda town, it is the responsibility of the municipal council to find some better places for them and ask them to move into those places. So with this one round of changes or suggestions that we have done, which we are going to propose to the traffic police, I think we are going to ease at least 30% or 40% of the traffic congestion within 1 week's time.